Hello and welcome to the online classes organized by CL Public School Narnaul. My dear students, this is a summary video. In the summary video, we quickly discuss what we studied in the Zoom classes. It is for those students who could not attend the Zoom classes or who disconnected in between due to the network problems. Students, Zoom classes are very essential, so you must attend these classes regularly. Now we will see quickly what did we study in those classes. First of all, as you can see in the latest YouTube video, we tried to solve the questions in which there were different digits and for example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and using those digits you had to make 3-digit numbers और 4-digit numbers और 5-digit numbers, है ना. कुछ क्वेश्चंस में यहाँ पे 0 भी था स्टार्टिंग में and we try to solve those type of questions and there are a lot of questions that can be formed in that region. Now we are moving to the next topic, which is factorial notation. Now what is the factorial notation? इसे हम डिनोट करते हैं n और उसके बाद साइन ऑफ एक्सक्लेमेशन and we read it as n factorial. It is we read it as n factorial. इसके अलावा स्टूडेंट्स फैक्टोरियल नोटेशन की एक पुराना भी एक तरीका है फैक्टोरियल को डिनोट करने का. इस टाइप से एक ऊपर ऐसे बनाया जाता है एंड देन ऐसे एंड वी रीड इट एज फैक्टोरियल एन, और आई थिंक it is like this, it is something like L and then we make it like this. So you have to be aware that this is the latest notation and generally it is used. If any other notation is used instead of this, then the question will be, then examiner will specify it accurately that it is the factorial notation. So students, it is n factorial and definition of n factorial is continuous product of first and natural numbers. For example, 5 factorial is the product of first 5 natural numbers. In mathematics, we also sometimes denote this product by the help of dots. So 1 dot 2 dot 3 dot 4 dot 5, it also means multiplication. So 5 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5, that is equal to 120. In the same way 6 factorial can be found out. 7 factorial is 5040. Up to 7 factorial you have to memorize it. I think you should memorize it because it will be very helpful in the calculations. Also note that 1 factorial is equal to 1, 2 factorial is 1 into 2 and that is equal to 2. Now moving on, students, there are some properties of n factorial and you should take down them as notes. 1 factorial is equal to 1 and also 0 factorial is equal to 1. There are only two numbers. There is only one such pair of two numbers, 1 factorial and 0 factorial, which two distinct numbers have same factorial. 1 factorial भी बनाता है, 0 factorial भी बनाता है, और ये दोनों का केवल और केवल एक ही ऐसा पेयर है जिन दोनों का फैक्टोरियल सेम आता है. इसके अलावा ना 2 factorial 3 factorial के इक्वल है और कोई भी एक फैक्टोरियल दूसरे फैक्टोरियल के इक्वल नहीं है. केवल और केवल ये एक ऐसा पेयर है जो दोनों इक्वल है. नाउ n factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 factorial. Okay, and further n minus 1 factorial can be written as n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial. Okay, for example 8 factorial can be written as 8 multiplied by 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, and this quantity can be written as 7 factorial. Also note that 5 into 6 factorial is not equal to 30 factorial, but it is equal to 5 multiplied by 6 factorial separately. So 5 into 720, that is equal to 360. Now students, it is very important point that negative factorial is not defined. If k is a natural number, then minus of k factorial is not defined. But if 1 upon minus of k factorial is written, then it is defined and its value is equal to 0. The reason why 0 factorial is equal to 1 and this quantity is not defined and this quantity is equal to 0, इन दोनों का रीजन हम आगे आने वाली स्लाइड्स में देखेंगे. Next thing that we discussed is some of the questions. For example, 5 factorial plus 6 factorial is equal to x into 7 factorial, then what is the value of x? Students, it can be written as 5 factorial plus 6 into 5 factorial and that is equal to 5 factorial common आ गया and multiplied by 7. and on the right hand side it is equal to x into 7 into 6 into 5 factorial. So 5 factorial से 5 factorial cancel हो गया, 7 से 7 cancel हो गया, and this implies that x equal to 1 by 6. In the meeting we discussed these type of questions, although the data here was something different, but the type of the questions are same. In the same way, try to solve this question, and in the comment section down below comment your answer. What will be the answer of this question? What will be the value of x? Students, after that we studied how to write these types of notations in factorial notation. Factorial notation होता है continuous product of n natural numbers. So इसको हमको continuous product of n natural numbers के उसमें लिखना है. तो देखिए 2 को हम लिख सकते हैं 2 into 1, 4 को लिख सकते हैं 2 into 2, 6 को लिख सकते हैं 2 into 3, 8 को लिख सकते हैं 2 into 4 and so on. ओके, और सभी में आपस में मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है. सो 2 raised to the power 6 अगर हम कॉमन ले लें तो एक 2 यहाँ से कॉमन आया, एक यहाँ से, एक यहाँ से, एक यहाँ से, और 2 2 यहाँ से आ गए. सो 2 की पावर 6 कॉमन आ गया और अंदर बच गया 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 and that is equal to 2 to the power 6 into 6 factorial. I hope it makes sense. Now in the next question you have to convert this into the factorial notation. So in order to convert this into factorial notation, we will divide and multiply this quantity with 2 into 4 into 6 into 8 into 10. क्योंकि अगर यहाँ पर 2 4 6 8 10 आ जाएगा तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 it will be equal to 11 factorial. Therefore in the numerator it has become 1 into 2 into 3 and dot dot up to 10 into 11, और डिनोमिनेटर में एक आ गया 2 into 4 into 6 into 8 into 10. Alright, so numerator is 11 factorial and denominator is just like this above example. It is equal to 2 raised to the power 5 into 5 factorial. So now we have successfully converted this in this factorial notation and this example in this factorial notation. Sometimes questions are asked in this way, that convert the following in the factorial notation. In order to convert it into the factorial notation, you should convert it first into the continuous product in the form of continuous product and then write it as factorials. Moving on students, there is also a physical meaning associated with the n factorial, and the physical meaning behind n factorial is this, that n factorial is equal to total number of ways of arranging n distinct objects in n distinct places, but this arrangement must be in a line and not along a circle or any square or any other form. This arrangement must be in a line. Alright, although in mathematics here this thing can also be considered as a line. Suppose 5 persons को 5 chair पे बैठाना है, then it is also considered as a line. What I am trying to say is that there should not be a closed configuration. Like अगर इनको circle में बैठाना होगा, then it will not be equal to n factorial. एक line के along बैठाना है. Okay. For example, जो हमने first question देखा था, 5 persons can sit on 5 chairs in a line. Chairs अगर line में है, then answer was 5 factorial, है ना. 5 पर्सन थे, 1 2 3 4 5. इस चेयर पे बैठाने के 5 तरीके, फिर क्योंकि इसमें से 5 में से कोई भी एक पर्सन इस चेयर पे बैठ सकता है, फिर 4 फिर 3 फिर 2 फिर 1, ऐसे आया था फर्स्ट वीडियो में हमने डिस्कस किया था, एंड दैट इज इक्वल टू 5 फैक्टोरियल. इन द सेम वे द नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल, total number of 7 digit numbers that can be formed using the digits 1 to 7 when repetition is not allowed is 7 factorial. In the same way, 6 girls can stand in a straight line in 6 factorial ways. Now students, it is a very important example and it covers a lot of questions. Look very carefully. In how many ways 3 boys and 3 girls can stand in a line? I think you should pause the video here for 2 minutes and try to solve this question on your own and then verify your answer with what I am explaining. Okay students, so pause.